Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Pavoni lever machine, and this was brought in because it was leaking, and we found the leak to be underneath the bottom of the base where the heating element is, and we replaced the heating element gasket with a new one and an extra thick one so as to help guarantee longevity for the boiler. Alright, well here it is replaced, not leaking, and we're going to test it. There we go. Can feel the water rushing into the group head. Alright, we'll pull the shot. Beautiful. Alright, looking good. It's going to stop at about 1 ounce, standard for Pavonis. Alright, let's try some steam. Looking good. Alright, there it is. Wow, Pavoni, functioning, not leaking once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.